digital, what ratio of savings you see on your current toolings that you can do on the jobs that you intend to transfer on to digital? Yeah, please.
So what right now, why, what I'm going to do with your digital? Simple question I'll answer you.
Very important.
Why you bought the digital? Now as he told, very good point he put, which I also actually forgot, the running time of the Flexo machine. So for putting a 5,000 or a 5,000 pieces job, maybe it is 600 meters or 500-meter job for us in Flexo. We require at least 1 hour to make ready the job. Minimum, I'm telling you minimum. For registration and everything, wastage, color matching, another 30 minutes. So 1.5 hours is gone. Considering that the cost of our machine, if I say it's like 300 dirhams, which is our just the cost of the machine per hour, which I calculate for the costing. So 500, 450 dirhams is straight away gone as an idle time just to set up a 500 pieces job. So plus I told you already about the plate charges, which already we are suffering because Dubai market is, his market, he's very lucky. He doesn't have so much players in Pakistan, but Dubai market, when I came in 2004 in Dubai, there were maybe 5-6 companies. Now there are 35 plus. So see the competition. I cannot say no to the customer. No way. Because maybe I lose the complete customer just for that 5,000 or 6,000 pieces of that job. So there, the thing I told you, so 2 hours, 1.5 hour, 2 hours I'm wasting just to set up the job, and the run of the job is how much? 20 minutes. So see where I stand for that particular. That is another. Setting is maybe 100, 200 meters. If I'm having a very good machine, still maybe at least 100, 150 meter. So that is additional. Special ink, color matching. So this if you calculate all these values, definitely digital stands. Definitely. So we have these particular jobs. See, now the question is, what I will do with the next? All jobs, already I invested. I made the plates. I already supplied. That I will not transfer to digital. That is foolish because I already invested the money. I already invested for the plates. And we have the color matching already done with our jobs. We have the profiles. The customer has approved it. Now if I play with that job, it is more to be wasted in also digital. So these are not the customers or a job which I will shift here. The jobs which I get new, the customers say, okay, now this is the new brand, I want to print 5,000 pieces. Yeah, that I will never do it in Flexo. That I will start with digital only. Still, it depends. If the customer says there is a possibility that we may get 100,000 also, but it is very rare case. Because the customer who prints 4,000 or 5,000 pieces, he will maximum print 10,000. He will never come to 100,000. 100%. So there, I will print these jobs with digital. Next, the new, we get a lot of inquiries sometimes. Somebody asks 500 pieces also, multiple data, like some have 2 pieces of this, 5 pieces of this, 10 pieces of this, 50 pieces. I can get premium price, what he said, there. Not with the jobs what I existing customers we have. There I can ask them for a premium price. For today only I had one customer, he wanted 3 pieces of stickers, A4 sheet. I found it to be very stupid. Simple text, yellow print, yellow backing, and simple text. He sent me an email. I charge him 100 dirham per piece for a A4 which I printed on Konica Minolta printer and supplied him.
Can I
Not
become
even
your
digital printer.
Can I become your partner in your business?
You are already a partner.
Yeah, yes.
So see,
Great.
these are the places that what he called is a premium. Otherwise in label industry, premium is what he said is correct. There also in Dubai, that is also not premium now because of the competition. So that's how it is.
So if I understand you right, what you are saying that the jobs that cannot be performed by other printers and you get that customer, you can charge premium. You know, so that's the key.
Very small quantities, but yeah, but it can, because the quality is definitely very good. I have done a lot of research. The quality is good. Now we have to see about the service and maintenance which will come across after we buy the printer.